Alright. So we're up on a little tour. Yeah. We're up on a little tour. This now from the other side leading into Augustown. So you have to know how them call out now. You have the Surgeon Golden Rehabilitation Place this and then the road you now carry you into Augustown. It also carry you to the primary school. Think of Hope Valley Experimental Primary School. So remember them on the sidewalk. So no school no run for a while. You see it? So look how the thing are going now. See how much things overgrown? Yeah. So them little thing there and such and such. Yeah. So when school forward out now, rather than preserving the place, see it? See how much things overgrown? Yeah. So that's that me I say. So we depend on little surroundings. Trad. See how our surroundings look, you know, see our community. Look the various communities them in Jamaica. Yeah, you see it? So that's kind of how it stay. We want to see what go on with the place where broke away. To prevent Augustown from being accessed from this side of the community. Forgetting Augustown now you have to go from Mona Road, go under the aqueduct, past Hermitage for go down in Augustown. So yeah, Mother Nature sprinkle from up in at the top there. Sweet, beautiful coming when Mother Nature come. I and I joyful for that all the time. So yeah, we want to draw out the umbrella. Yeah, you know? So we are going, see there? So it look now. So the whole space of that, so that look. So I could draw out the umbrella now. So I have to go pause.